Hi, in front of me is Doogee S70 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this Doogee. Firstly, go into settings, scroll down and choose security and location. From here go into screen lock, pick one of the login methods and tap on the chosen one, pattern, PIN or password. Then answer this question by tapping on yes or no and enter your login method. After that, select next at the bottom right corner, repeat it and click confirm. Over here, you need to decide when your device is locked, how do you want notifications to show. Tap on one of the options, like don't show notifications at all, and click done. So now, when I turn off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!